Welcome to the GroupWise Disaster Recovery Restoration Guide video. I am Stefan Fassmann, and I will be your guide today. You can find the documentation on our website. Once the backup is complete, we can configure the system for restoring items from GroupWise Disaster Recovery. We'll be using a Linux GroupWise server. A prerequisite is setting up a NFS share between the GroupWise Disaster Recovery server and the GroupWise server. Restore area. Once the backup is complete, we can set up the restore area on the GroupWise server. In GroupWise Administration, configure Restore Area Management. Browse to GroupWise Administration. Go to System and open Restore Area Management. Give it a name and a description. Set the path to the mount point and add Connect Restore to point to the restore area. Set the Linux path to the same location. Go to the Membership tab. Click Add. Select Post Offices. Add Post Office. Press OK. Now after all that, let's confirm that it worked. In GroupWise Disaster Recovery, load a backup. If the latest backup has the data, just click the Access Latest Backup button on the main page, or go to Post Office Profile, Backups, Action on Existing Backups, turn on Access to Prior Backup. It will take a few moments for the backup to load. A green arrow will appear. Restore Mode. Restore Mode accesses the GroupWise Disaster Recovery backups through the GroupWise Restore area. In GroupWise Client, go to File, Open Backup. I have some items I deleted previously. Restore Mode shows the deltas, or only what is missing on the production GroupWise server. From here, you can right-click and restore. Restore Mode only works for mail items. You can also restore mail items with Access Mode, and for all other items, you will have to use Access Mode and a local archive. Access Mode. You can also access the backup directly using Access Mode. You can use this mode for all items. Confirm that Access Mode POA is enabled under GroupWise Disaster Recovery Web Administration Console. Profile, Configure, User Access to Backups. This will also give you the address to use with the client. Open the GroupWise client and point it at the GroupWise Disaster Recovery Access Mode POA. Once you find your data, you can archive it locally by right-clicking and selecting Move to Archive. You may need to set up a file location. Then exit the client and log into the production GroupWise server. Select File, Open Archive. You may need to set up a file location. Browse to the item. Right-click and deselect Archive to restore the data to production. The next step is to configure your system for disaster recovery mode.